Let's make spinach dip. Here at the Young's house, we're making spinach dip, and I'm gonna show you all how easy it is to make it taste delicious. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some fresh spinach. Don't use the frozen kind. You could, but don't. I get 2 bags because once you cook them, they really cook down to nothing. We're gonna be serving our spinach dip with some nice crusty bread here. Of course, you could use like some Frito dippers or your favorite cracker, whatever. I'm using some fresh bread. That's gonna be lovely. You're gonna need some Parmesan cheese, if you please, and this is the kind that I like. You're gonna need just some artichokes here and a fresh clove of garlic. We will be using some cream cheese, and also you're gonna need some mozzarella. All right, you're gonna need some butter and some spices to make it come together and taste good. So we have chicken bouillon powder, we have garlic and onion powder. Make sure your hands are clean. Let me show you how to make delicious spinach dip. I hope y'all are having a great day today, and if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here recipe. Have you ever tasted spinach dip? If you haven't, you are in for a super treat. It's so easy to make, and this definitely, you can make this for parties and a holiday recipe. The first thing we're gonna do right away is we're gonna take a nice sized piece of fresh garlic, not the kind that comes in the jar packed in water, not that kind, all right? And what I do that for, I just kind of give it a nice whack with the side of my knife, and it really helps to break down the garlic. 1 large clove will be just fine. So what we're going to do, we're going to put this in the pan with about 2 tablespoons of butter, get it nice golden brown and crispy, and then we're going to add in our spinach. Go ahead and take this time and put that 2 tablespoons of butter right in our pan with our garlic, and you make sure your garlic gets nice golden brown and crispy, but don't let it cook too long. If it cooks too long, it gets a kind of funky texture to it. In the meantime, we need to drain our artichokes. It doesn't matter what size can or jar you use for your artichokes. Just drain them very well, and I won't be rinsing them. I love the flavor that they have. And the next thing, you're gonna want to wash your fresh spinach. Our garlic is getting nice and golden brown. We have drained our artichokes. And so now we're gonna put them onto our cutting board and give them a nice chop. It's up to you if you would like to leave them bigger, but I like to break mine down a little bit. And another ingredient, if you wanted to add, sometimes I will add this to my recipe, is some nice sweet Vidalia onions. You're gonna saute them. And when you saute them, you put them in with the garlic. Our garlic is golden brown crispy. The whole house smells absolutely amazing. We're gonna put that fresh spinach in that we washed off right into the pan. And it'll look like you have too much in your pan, but don't worry, it will melt down, or it wilts. We can go ahead and put our chopped up artichokes right on top. Okay, we want to give it about, let's just say 10 minutes. This will wilt down. Once it wilts down, we're going to add our 2 cheeses, which is going to be our 8 ounces of cream cheese, some mozzarella, as much or as least as you would like to put in, and then our spices. Go ahead and give it some great flavor. I'm going right in with Parmesan cheese. You can put as least or as much, and really there's not a measurement. How much do you like? But keep in mind, Parmesan cheese, at least this kind, it has some salt in it, okay? And so now I'm gonna use some chicken bouillon powder, making sure that I don't use too much. Too much and make it salty. That's perfect, okay? I'm gonna go right in with garlic and onion powder, and on purpose, a nice amount. Even though we use fresh garlic, you still want the garlic powder, okay? It amps up the flavor by a lot, okay? Look at it, it's wilted down. Let's mix our spices in just like so. Go ahead and get our cream cheese in. Whatever you have to do to get it in there. I'm just gonna take a knife and cut little pieces off. Don't worry, guess why? Because it eventually will melt. And what doesn't melt in this pan will melt in the oven, because this goes in the oven. I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. This is what it's gonna look like, okay? And at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and put this whole 8 ounces of mozzarella right in. That's what's gonna give us that nice cheesy pull that we love when we all think of a dip. This is gonna be perfect for the holidays, perfect for somebody's birthday, a get together, a barbecue. This is some good stuff. All right, we're gonna mix it. We don't have to worry about it melting right now. Guess what we're getting ready to do? I'm gonna taste a little piece of it and see if I'm happy with the seasoning. If I'm not, I'm gonna re-season. Let's go ahead and do that now. Oh, it's got cream cheese and everything on it. Let's taste. Mmm. I want a little bit more. Chicken bouillon powder, just a little bit, and that will do. We're gonna go ahead. Dang, that tastes good. Put everything right into our baking dish. Turn your oven on 355 degrees Fahrenheit. This is what it's going to look like before we put it in the oven. Here at the Young's house, I try my best to keep a nice fresh piece of bread, whether it's a French baguette or an Italian loaf, for something like this that you could dip it in. And like this evening, I'm going to be having spaghetti. We're having this with it. So here's what I'm going to do. Let's make up some nice thick slices. Oh yeah, I'll probably make like a garlic butter sauce for my spaghetti later, and then you can just dunk this in that garlic butter sauce. Are you kidding me? So let's get these available and ready. Sorry for the wardrobe change, but I'm actually doing a video on this cardigan in the other room. But in the meantime, this is done. Come on in, take a look at this. Take a look at this. You're gonna love this. Oh my and goodness. Let me do this for you. Oh yes. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on? Tell your family and friends. Tell the world what Gina's doing in this kitchen every single day. And Father, once again, we thank you for your hedge of protection, your love and your mercy. We thank you for feeding us. Amen. It's ready. Let's do it. I'm giving you that first bite. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes, with the crusty bread. My goodness, it's hot, but I know y'all want me to taste it. Let's do it. It's going to be your favorite. Make you some. You're going to love this.